Finally, our top thermal imaging camera is the HTI Xintai HT-19. The HT-19 is essentially the big brother to the one we reviewed earlier. This is another handheld thermal camera from HTI Xintai with an infrared sensor and a visible light camera. First off, the infrared sensor has an IR resolution of 320 by 240 pixels, totaling a number of 76,800 pixels. This is easily the highest on our list and provides unbeatable detail. This is the kind of professional quality infrared thermal imager used for home inspections, electronics manufacturing, archaeology, and any other business, hobby, or science where accurate temperature readings of 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit are required. The camera lets you choose between 5 color palettes: rainbow, iron oxide red, cold color, white heat, and black heat. The camera has several image enhancement modes. You can just view the image from the visible light camera or blend it to a certain degree with the infrared image, 25, 50, 75%. Alternatively, you can just use only infrared vision. HTI has also equipped this thermal imager with an internal memory of 3 GB, which should store approximately 20,000 images, which is undoubtedly much more than what the FLIR camera offers. It also lets you adjust the emissivity to give you a more accurate reading. As a rule of thumb, the shinier the object, the lower the emissivity, but you can find tables online for any material. What's more, it uses a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can power the device for 2 to 3 hours with ease. We think this is the ideal device for any professional that values accuracy when diagnosing issues via thermal imaging. Its pros are, it has an incredibly high resolution, it provides a clear picture, and it's very straightforward to adjust. However, it does not record video. The HTI Xintai HT-19 is a powerful device that is recommended for any tradesman looking for a quality tool to add to their kit. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.